Why overpay airlines or settle for a cramped coach seat when you can fly business for less, often cheaper than coach? How? Capture a business class buying event from Passport Premier. Since 2003, Passport Premier has helped thousands of flyers travel business and first cheaper than coach by capturing premium cabin buying events as fare change happens. Now it's your turn. As fundamentals return, leisure flyers are back to chasing value and not overpaying airlines for comfort. With business travel yet to return to pre-pandemic levels, airlines are slashing fares before clearing upgrades. Examples include Santiago from $2,136 with American, Bangkok from just $2,350, and around the world fares from just $4,250 for up to 16 business class flight segments. Don't forget, most flights ultimately fly full, and if you don't buy, someone else will. Make 2024 the year of flying comfortably for less. Start capturing fare change as fare change happens with a Passport Premier subscription today. And I'll see you up front.